We're here at SLE Equipment located in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Husqvarna YTH22V46 garden tractor with a 22 horsepower Briggs engine. You can find this tractor as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. So as you can see, this unit, the Husqvarna YTH22V46 garden tractor with a 22 horsepower Briggs engine. This is a consumer unit. This unit comes with headlights, also a standard grass chute. This unit also comes with the standard hitch located in the rear of the mower. This unit does have a hydrostatic transmission. This unit also comes with the greasable spindles and has a reinforced stamped deck. If you have any further questions, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720, or you can visit us on our website at sleequipment.com.